Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to EV tire pressure monitoring services, beginner guide step by step clearly. Look for companies that provide tire pressure monitoring specifically for electric vehicles. Make a list of potential service providers in your area or online. Visit their websites to gather more information about their offerings. Check the compatibility of their services with your electric vehicle model. Read reviews and ratings from other customers to assess their reliability. Choose the service provider that best fits your needs and preferences. Locate the subscription section on their website. Fill out the required information, including your vehicle details. Select the subscription plan that suits your requirements. Provide your payment information securely. Review all terms and conditions before finalizing your subscription. Make sure to confirm your subscription via email or text. Download any recommended apps or software for monitoring. Follow the instructions to connect your vehicle's systems to the service. Test the monitoring system to ensure it's functioning correctly. Ensure you receive alerts and updates on your tire pressure regularly. Familiarize yourself with how to access your tire pressure readings. Don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for any questions. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your tire pressure is being monitored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.